In this video, we are going to see how we can install TikTok application on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is, first of all, just search for the App Store that is available on your desktop screen on iPhone. But if you can't find it for some reason, you just keep swiping it towards right until you see the app library and you can search it here. You will just write app and the App Store will appear. Now, just remember guys that you need an Apple ID to set up your profile on the App Store. Otherwise, you won't be able to download any application. So if you're using a new phone, make sure to create an Apple ID. And if you're unsure on how you can create one, you can search it on my channel. But by just writing the title, how to create an Apple ID and name Upskill-Education, and you will find that specific video. I'll also mention down in the description. So anyways, let's continue. We just search for TikTok here, and here it is. Here's TikTok application, and next to it is this get button. We click on it, and it might ask you for the password or the face verification. That is a security feature on iPhone. So after that, it will continue to download it. And once it is successfully downloaded, we will get this open button. Click on that. And there we have a welcome screen. You click on agree and continue and click on allow permissions. You can choose your interest. For example, I'll choose football, fitness, home and garden, let's say life hacks. Click on next. And that's how you do it. You can start swiping it immediately and watch the videos on the home feed. But if you want to log in on your profile, on the bottom right hand corner, you will see your profile icon. And there you can sign in with your phone, email, username, Facebook, Apple ID, or with a Google account. So that is how we can download and install the TikTok application. You just have a simple process of signing in from here. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.